Hey guys, how to transfer contact from iPhone to Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 and provide very super easy. So simply at first need to log in this Gmail. Open iPhone contact, go back, select all contact, long press, click on to export. Select all, press on right mark. Then you get this option. Just select mail apps. Enter this mail. Okay, click on to send option. Okay, and check my email. Then I'm receive the mail. Just tap on to open. It's showing it to all contact. Press on. Then open my all contact. Click on to import and select import location. So like I'm select phone. Press on import. Okay, now successfully import my all contact. Showing here my contact, and so look here, showing here. So easily transfer all contact. So that's it.